Hey, what's up, America? Welcome to my channel, Show Me and Cooking. You are in the Hood Savage Kitchen, and today what I got for you is some shrimp boiled and a cutout pork. So, sorry for you folks out there that like the sausage and stuff in your boiled, but no pork here. Take it easy, sit back, watch how I prepare this meal, and take notes if you want. It's very simple, but you can really enjoy it.
All right, now check this out. We got our shrimp, we got the red potatoes, we got the shrimp crab boil, our crawfish seasoning, and our corn. This meal I'm preparing is for two. You can make your own portions if you want, but here we go. I dice up my potatoes in about 4 wedges, just so everybody have a good amount of flavor. Now, I like to cut my corn. You can leave yours whole if you want. Let's go ahead and get this water to boiling because we're going to let this stuff boil for about 15 minutes. Now, you might want to use less than a teaspoon of this if you want, because this ain't for the weak. I like to use a whole teaspoon. Yes, that good old spice. All right, after our water's all heated up, let's go ahead and add our vegetables. Now, like I told you, this recipe here ain't got no pork in it. We let that cook for about 15 minutes. We're going to strain it. Let that sit to the side for a second. Let's go ahead and season our shrimp. I like to season my shrimp first to make sure every piece get coated in some of this good old seasoning here. You can season it to your liking, but to each his own. So it's all trial and error here. Go ahead and just go for it. Alright, now I'm got to season my vegetables up here. Alright, like I said, this portion here is for two. So what I done here was put 5 extra large shrimp, and 5 large shrimp. This is for me and my baby here. My baby meaning my wife. Go ahead and add this corn and my potatoes. You know how you portion it out. So, and my timer's going off. That means my oven is all heated up and ready to go. I'll show you what I put it on in a second. Get it closed up nice and good, folks. So we want to keep all that steam inside, because you don't want it to dry out and burn nothing up. You just want that steam to fester inside there. Like I said, I heated it up to 375 degrees. We're going to cook this for about 40 minutes, 35 to 40 minutes. And it's all ready now. Look at that fish over there. We're going to eat this with some good old catfish. That's why the portion size is so small. All right, now we got to melt our butter, just so we can drizzle it on real good, so it can go evenly into all the little cracks and crannies of the corn. That's the only reason why I use butter, is for the corn. Everything else is nice just the way it is. Corn really is too, but it just gives the corn a little more juice, And I gotta leave some for her pack, because this is my pack right here.